ChitChat English.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
My name is John. What's your name?
I'm Jane. Nice to meet you.
Excuse me, where is the nearest bathroom?
It's down the hall to the right.
I'm sorry, I'm late.
That's okay. Let's get started now.
I don't like spicy food.
Really? I love it.
Are you feeling better today?
Yes, thank you for asking.
May I open the window?
Yes, of course.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm not sure yet. Do you want to do something together?
You look nice today.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Anytime.
I don't understand this exercise.
Let me explain it to you.
Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the train station?
Sure, go straight down this road, then turn left. The train station is on your right.
I'm really sorry for missing your call.
It's okay. Was everything all right?
I'm having trouble with my phone. Can you help me, please?
Sure. What seems to be the problem?
It looks like it's going to rain today.
Yes, I heard it might thunderstorm later.
You were sick last week, weren't you? Are you feeling better?
Yes, thank you. I'm much better now.
Is it okay if I borrow your pen?
Sure, here you go. Just make sure to return it.
That was an excellent presentation. Well done.
Thank you. I'm glad you liked it.
I'm thinking about buying a new laptop. What do you think?
What will you be using it for mostly?
What does your typical day look like?
I usually start my day with some exercise, then head to work. In the evening, I enjoy reading.
I had such an interesting day today.
Oh. What happened?
I'm looking for a good book to read. Any suggestions?
You should try reading The Great Gatsby. It's a classic.
Have you seen the latest Marvel movie?
Yes, I watched it last weekend. It was amazing.
I'm thinking about going to Japan next year.
That sounds exciting. I've always wanted to visit Tokyo. I got the job I interviewed for last week. Congratulations. That's fantastic news.
I've started learning to play the guitar.
That's cool. How's it going?
I'm worried about my exams next week.
You'll do great. Just make sure to study a bit every day.
If you ever need to talk, I'm here for you.
Thank you. That means a lot to me.
Remember our trip to the beach last summer?
Yes, that was such a fun day.
What do you want to accomplish in the next 5 years?
I'm hoping to start my own business.
One of my goals is to run a marathon.
That's impressive. I admire your dedication.
I really appreciate our friendship.
Me too. You've been a great friend.
I've been going to the gym regularly.
That's great. Do you feel any difference?
I feel like I've learned a lot about myself this year.
That's wonderful. Personal growth is so important.
Last year, I visited Italy and it was incredible.
Italy sounds amazing. What was your favorite part?
I've been exploring classical music lately.
Really? Do you have any favorite composers?
Work has been so stressful these past few weeks.
I'm sorry to hear that. What's been causing the stress?
I finally finished writing my novel.
Wow, congratulations. That's a huge accomplishment.
I'm aiming to improve my endurance by swimming.
Swimming is a great workout. How often do you swim?
I'm thinking of going back to school for my master's.
That's a big decision. What field are you considering?
I tried cooking Thai food last night. It was a challenge but fun.
That sounds delicious. Did it turn out well?
I'm really worried about climate change.
It is concerning. Are you involved in any initiatives?
I went to an art gallery last weekend and saw some inspiring pieces.
Art galleries can be so refreshing. What kind of art was it?
I've started learning Spanish. It's quite challenging.
Learning a new language is tough but rewarding.
I've been focusing on improving my mental health.
That's really important. What steps are you taking?
I just read a book that I think you'd love.
Oh. What's it called? I'm always looking for good books.
I started volunteering at a local shelter.
That's admirable. What kind of work do you do there?
I've started doing yoga in the mornings. It really helps with stress.
That sounds like a good routine. I've heard yoga can be very beneficial.
I made an amazing lasagna last night. Want the recipe?
Yes, please. I love trying out new recipes.
Online courses have made learning so accessible.
Absolutely. Have you taken any interesting courses lately?
I miss those summer days spent biking around the neighborhood.
Childhood memories are so precious.
Could you please speak more slowly?
Of course, I'll try to speak more slowly.
What movies do you like?
I enjoy comedies and action movies. They're really entertaining.
How long have you been learning English?
I've been learning English for about 2 years now.
Can you help me with this homework problem?
Sure, let's look at it together.
Would you like to join our book club?
I'd love to.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I went to a rock concert last year. It was an amazing experience.
Could we take a rain check on our meeting?
Something came up, of course. Let's reschedule for next week.
I'm looking for a birthday gift for my friend. Any ideas?
How about a book by their favorite author or a gift card to their favorite store?
It looks like it's going to rain. Do you have an umbrella I can borrow?
Yes, here you go. Don't worry about returning it immediately.
I'm considering changing jobs. What should I look for in a new position?
Consider what's important to you, like work-life balance, company culture, and opportunities for growth.
Can you suggest a good place for a first date?
A coffee shop or a casual restaurant could be nice. It's relaxed and allows you to talk and get to know each other.
Do you prefer online shopping or going to the store?
I like online shopping for the convenience, but sometimes going to the store is better to see things in person.
What's the most unusual food you've ever tried?
I once tried durian fruit. It was an interesting experience.
Do you prefer sunrises or sunsets? Why?
I prefer sunsets because of the beautiful colors in the sky. It's a peaceful way to end the day.
What's a small act of kindness you were once shown that you still remember?
A stranger paid for my coffee when I forgot my wallet. It made my day.
If you could spend a day with any historical figure, who would it be and why?
I'd choose Leonardo da Vinci. His genius and curiosity across various fields would make for an incredible conversation.
What's something you're grateful for today?
I'm grateful for my health and the opportunity to learn something new every day.
Have you ever helped someone and felt really good about it afterward?
Yes, I helped a lost tourist find their way. Seeing their relief and gratitude was very rewarding.
What's a tradition in your culture that you love?
We have a festival of lights that symbolizes hope and new beginnings. It's beautiful and uplifting.
What's the most interesting documentary you've watched?
I watched a documentary about the deep sea. It's fascinating how much is unknown.
If you could witness any event past, present, or future, what would it be?
I'd love to witness the first landing on Mars. It would be a monumental moment in history.
What's one piece of advice you would give to your younger self?
I would tell myself to worry less and enjoy life more.
What's an unexpected lesson you learned from traveling?
Traveling taught me the value of minimalism and living with less. Every place has its own story.
If you could master one musical instrument, what would it be and why?
I'd choose the piano because its music is so versatile and expressive. It can convey any emotion.
If you could live in any book or movie world for a week, where would you go?
I'd live in the world of Harry Potter. Exploring Hogwarts would be a dream come true.
What's the best piece of advice you've received?
Keep moving forward. Simple, but it's helped me through tough times.
What's a tradition from another culture you admire?
I admire the Japanese tea ceremony for its mindfulness and respect.
If you could invent something, what would it be?
I'd invent a device that could clean the oceans efficiently. Our seas need it.
If you could have dinner with any fictional character, who would it be?
I think Sherlock Holmes.
If you could solve one world problem, what would it be?
I would solve the clean water crisis. Access to clean water is fundamental.
What's a childhood dream you still want to fulfill?
I've always wanted to go on a safari in Africa. Seeing those animals in the wild would be incredible.
What's the most interesting fact you've learned recently?
That octopuses have 3 hearts. It's such a fascinating aspect of their biology.
What's a skill you think everyone should have?
I believe everyone should know basic first aid. It's crucial in emergencies.